Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you guys that how I like to cover my dark circle and hyperpigmentation. So this is my face without any makeup on, and as you guys can see that I have got dark circle and hyperpigmentation around my mouth, which I think most of our Indian people has it. And this is my face after makeup, and I like to share my tips and tricks that how I like to cover my dark circle and hide my hyperpigmentation. So if you guys are interested in watching it, then please guys keep on watching, but before that, please guys do not forget to subscribe to my channel, and you can also follow me on my social media accounts. The username is Salvi Trivedi. So let's begin this video now. So the step one which I like to do is correct your under eyes. Yes guys, do not forget to correct your under eyes. Don't apply the concealer directly. If you have got dark circle, try to correct it first. So the one I like to use is from L.a Girl. It's their orange corrector. I am squeezing out a little bit on the back of my hand, warming up with my finger, and then patting it under my eyes with a very mild pressure, because the area under your eyes is very delicate. So use very mild pressure. So around my mouth, I'll do the same thing that I did for my under eyes. I am using a patting motion. Don't try to drag this product around because this concealer is very thick. So don't try to do that. Now I'm taking my Sephora brush. I don't know the number. I'll leave the name and the number of this brush in the description box if you are interested in knowing that. So once I'm done with buffing everywhere, I'll move towards step 2 is to apply my base. What the base include is your foundation, tinted moisturizer, or BB cream, whichever you prefer to apply. So once you are done correcting, we'll apply the base. I have applied my foundation now, so we'll move to step 3 is to highlight your under eyes. What is highlighting your under eyes means? It means to use 2 or 3 shade lighter concealer to brighten up your under eyes. And these two are my favorite concealers for highlighting my under eyes, Maybelline Fit Me and Tarte Shape Tape. But today I'm going to use my Tarte Shape Tape in the shade medium. And where you should be highlighting will be under your eyes, a little bit on your chin, on your forehead, and also under where your contour would be. So the first I'm applying it under my eyes in triangular shape, as you guys can see. Little bit on my chin, on my forehead, very little on my nose, not too much. I don't like to apply a lot on my nose, and also under where my contour would be. So once I have applied it everywhere, this is how it looks. And now I'm taking my damp beauty blender. I always like to use my beauty blender damp, and I'm also dragging little bit on the side of my nose, as I have got wide nose, so it helps in shaping up your nose and making it look smaller. So that is what I'm doing, and I am taking my time and blending it very precisely so that there are no harsh lines left on the face. So guys, take your time and keep on blending, and try to use a very mild pressure under your eyes, as I have mentioned, because that area is very delicate. So I have blended everywhere, and once I have blended it, this is how it looks. And you can see that now there are no dark circles left on my face. It looks flawless. So now once we have done that, we'll move to step 4, that is to set your concealer in place, which is the most important step. Either you can use a press powder or a loose setting powder. I love to use loose setting powder because I like to bake under my eyes, and I like to bake just because it doesn't give me any creases under my eyes for the longest. And I like to dip my damp beauty blender into the tub and bake under my eyes for minimum 5 to 10 minutes, I would say. And other places where I have concealed, I like to use a flat brush like this, dip it into the tub and set everywhere wherever I have applied the concealer. You can also use this brush to set your under eyes if you don't like to bake. And I am applying this powder everywhere wherever I have applied the concealer, and it will make sure that I get no creases anywhere around. So now I'm dusting off that excess powder, and once I have done that, this is how my face looks like after taking all of these steps and using all of these tips and tricks to cover and conceal. So now I'm gonna go and finish off my face makeup, and I will be back. So this is how my face looks, you guys, once I have done my full face of makeup on. And now you can't tell that I have got dark circles or hyperpigmentation. So this is all about makeup and using some tips and tricks. So now if you have got a very dry under eyes, guys, I have got a tip for you. This is only for the people who have got dry skin. I forgot to apply my lipstick, so keep that in mind. So use any glowy mist, spray it on your beauty blender, and try to bounce it under your eyes, so that will add a little bit of luminosity under your eyes, so that it won't look very dry if you try to set it with a powder. I really love my Pixie Glow Mist. So after doing all of that, this was my face before, and this is how my face looked after that I have done concealing, correcting, and highlighting. So I really hope that you try these techniques, and I hope that I have helped you out if you are struggling with dark circle and hyperpigmentation. Let me know if you have any queries in the comment section. If you like this video, please guys do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and also please do not forget to subscribe and hit the bell so that we can connect more and more. And yes guys, that's all I have left to say. I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Mwah.